Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same.
Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm bringing you an entryway makeover and I am very excited. As you guys can see, it is a DIY. My husband actually built it for me. As you guys know, right now it is really hard to find any furniture. So my waiting list was like 6 months to a year for an entryway table, and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna wait that long. I just really wanted an entryway table that was kind of minimal, and I asked my husband if he could build it, and he is very good at doing like DIYs. I usually just tell him how I want it and he can usually get it done for me. So he went ahead and built me this entryway table, and now I'm just gonna sand it down, I'm gonna stain it, and then I'm gonna decorate it. So I'm very happy you guys are here. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, but right now we're just gonna jump right in and I'm gonna start staining it with you guys.
'Cause I just can't let go.
I picked up this stain from Lowe's. They have so many different colors for you guys. Definitely go with the color that you like, and sometimes you even have to buy several stains, test them out and see what you really like. I really like this color, but let me tell you guys, when I started staining this table, I did not like the way it turned out, so I did go ahead and put a layer of white stain. You'll see it here in a little bit. And with that white stain, it took a lot of the redness out, and then I got the color that I wanted to achieve.
No one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone. Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine's still the same, 'cause I still love them.
Okay, so this is the stain I'm going to be using. It is a semi-transparent, simply white. You'll see right now how it's going to look. I do not like it. A lot of people sometimes use this stain just like as their color. I don't like it as a color. I feel like it's too white. But I do like it when I layer it with the other stain. I'm going to then reapply that stain, and you guys will see the end product. I really like that color that it gets. I don't like it like this because I feel like it just kind of looks white.
And my heart's not to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone. In this world of stories, oh, like stone.
Okay, now you can start seeing the color that I'm going for, but still I'm going to apply several layers. This is still too light for my liking. So right now I'm giving you like the before and after. You can clearly see how it looked before I applied the white. It looked very red, and I wanted to remove that redness, so that's why I'm using the white stain. And the top is how it would look, but of course I need more layers to achieve the perfect color.
Fixed in a framework that is moving beyond my control, like stone, emotionless in this world of stories, oh, like stone. I'll be here forever, waiting for your call.
You guys, I do want to say if you end up using the white stain, it is so sticky. Definitely be careful. I know you can tell that I've already got it on the floors, so I am gonna have to scrub my floors. But definitely when you're working with this, I would suggest even wearing gloves because it was so sticky.
This love has never been stronger. I'm up in the clouds when you're around, but when you're not, it's getting much harder. And I'm falling down, down, I'm falling down. I see your face on all of the pages in the scrapbook of my mind. To put it down for a while takes ages. Then I'm falling down, down, I'm falling down.
Okay guys, this is like day number 3. It takes so long to stain any type of furniture because, especially this one, because I felt like the wood was seriously just sucking up all the paint. But take your time and don't get stressed. I think at the end you'll love the way it looks. As you can see, it's starting to already be the color that I want, so I'm very excited.
I'm thinking of you every day, a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day, a million times, just when I'm thinking of you. You grow on me with every heartbeat. I really hate to wave goodbye. I know it's crazy, but I can't help it. When I'm falling down, down, I'm falling down. I'm thinking of you every day, a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day, a million times, just when I'm thinking of you.
Okay, so I am pretty much almost all done. I'm just gonna go ahead and go over some details and just make sure it looks perfect, and then I'm gonna start decorating. Okay guys, I found my baskets at home. That's the store. I know it's like kind of like a mouthful. Let me know in the comments if you guys have that store anywhere near you. I have one nearby and I really like it. They always have tons of baskets. I like these because number one, they're dark and I was trying to go for something a little bit darker so they could stand out. And number two, I love the handles, how it's kind of like leather. I love the pop of leather. I just love it. This mirror, I found it at TJ Maxx. No, I found it at Home Goods. I'm sorry. I found it at Home Goods and I fell in love with it. It was $99. I feel like it's a really good price for a mirror, especially like this size. I wanted to go with something round because the table is actually, I think it's 10 feet long. I don't even know if you can tell here. It is so long. I definitely wanted a long table because my hallway is so long. So definitely I wanted something long.
I'm thinking of you every day, a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day, a million times, just when I'm thinking of you.
Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna show you guys some of my decor, and a lot of the things I picked out, they're from Target. I feel like Target has this really cute home decor and it's not very expensive. I know sometimes you can find cheaper things at like TJ Maxx, Home Goods. But for those kind of stores, you have to kind of shop around. And I didn't want to go to all these different stores. I kind of just wanted to go to Target and just style the whole table and just get it done. Although these plants here, I think they're eucalyptus leaves. These are $4.99, and I also found these at home when I was looking for my baskets.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not their mess.
Okay, so we all know decorating books can be really expensive sometimes. A quick little tip I have for you guys, go to your local Goodwill, go to Savers, any kind of secondhand store that you can find, and look for books. Believe me, sometimes they have really good ones, and other times you just kind of have to like come back. But I was lucky. I went and I found these books, and I found several. Right here, I'm only showing you one. But I found several that I'm going to style other areas of my home. And I think I found like 5 books that I liked. And it was like $20 for all of them. And you guys know, usually these books can be $20 a piece. So if you're decorating and you're kind of decorating like on a budget, or you just don't want to spend that much on books, go check out Goodwill, go check out your library. There's always some sales going on, and then you can find books really inexpensive.
Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Please don't take this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days.
Okay guys, so this is the before, and now I'm going to show you the after. I am all done with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's DIY. I hope it inspired you to maybe even create your own DIY entryway table. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will be sure to answer them. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope I get to see you guys on the next one.
Just have to say I miss my best friend, seeing her smile. Still, I don't mind telling truth.